Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install Menyoo 2.0 on GTA 5. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser and then you just need to write Menyoo 2.0 and then just press on gta5mods.com and download Menyoo 2.0. Then write scripthook 5 and then select this website here and download scripthook 5. Then write GTA loader GTA all, go to GTA loader GTA all and basically get GTA loader 5 for GTA 5, and then you should have these files. Then you just need to extract all these folders, so select them all and then extract all and then save it to your desktop or whatever you prefer, right? And you should have all the folders. Once you have all the folders extracted, then open up your GTA 5 directory. I have it on Steam, so I just need to go to GTA 5, properties, installed files, browse, and then just leave it your directory opened, right? And then you can minimize Steam. Then open up Menyoo, and then you will have some files here. So you just need to copy first, third, and fourth file here and paste it to GTA 5 directory, right? Then you can close this and open up scripthook. Go to bin folder here, and then you just need to select first file and scripthook file. So this one, and then put to directory, right? Then you can close this, open up ASI loader, and then you just need to just drag this file here, right? And that's it. So guys, I'm in the game, and to open this mod, you just need to press F8 a few times. So F8 a few times, and as you can see here, mod menu is here. If you don't have F8, you just need to press Fn and 8 on your keyboard and it should open up. And then if you want to close it, you just need to press backspace, right? And you can do a bunch of different things with this mod. So yeah, if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.